Hey guys, it's Munchies with Monz, the real quarantine edition. Look at the quarantine hair, the buns for days. I got my little setup going on here, and today we're going to be doing some TikTok food hacks / quarantine snacks. So let's see how this goes. So this is what we're going to need for our dorm room banana bread. A recipe from Jessie Say Hey on TikTok. So we're gonna start off with one ripe banana in a pretty big mug, and we're just going to mush it up.
Mix it up. Then we pop it in for radiation for 2 minutes. Let it get cooked up in there.
Going to look like this a little bit. Looks like a cake. We're gonna try it now. Let's see if it's good. Freaking cake. Freaking cake. Well, that's a mug cake if you ever had it. Yep. It's the easiest banana bread mug cake ever. I approve. All right, second quarantine snack is, you guessed it, mac and cheese. So you want a pretty big mug, like pretty big, so it doesn't overflow. Half a cup of pasta, just enough water to cover that. He said about 1/4 cup of cheese, but let's be real, I put a little bit more, maybe like half a cup. Get some salt, pepper, and milk. So this recipe is from Jake Rotana on TikTok. So we're going to start off with our big mug, and I have a plate underneath it because we're going to put it in the microwave so we make sure it doesn't overflow.
Alright, so we put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to start at 2, and we're going to see how that turns out.
So it's done. And it did overflow this time. See, this is why the plate is handy. Let's put it in for like another minute because it still looks kind of hard. So I actually put it in for an extra minute after that minute because the noodles still looked kind of hard. So I guess maybe it depends on the noodles you use, but these look just right.
So I'm going to drain it. So now it's time for the best part, which is the cheese part. So we're going to add the cheese in. Mix it up a little bit. Add in a little bit of milk. Mix it up till the cheese melts. Don't know if it's going to really melt. And some pepper for flavor. And then we mix it.
Honestly, I might just put it in the microwave for a little bit longer to make the cheese melt.
It's kind of chunky, but we will keep mixing. Oh, the cheese has melted together. Not really on the noodles, but...
Okay, so I popped it into the microwave for about 45 more seconds, and the cheese has melted way, way better. Oh my god, this looks like legit mac and cheese. Honestly, if you really didn't have much to work with and you were like living in a dorm and had some cheese and noodles, you know, this isn't that bad. I'd eat it. Want to look at it up close. Oh yeah. The nasty noodle sound. This next recipe is only 3 ingredients by the same guy, Jake Rotana. I think I'm saying it right. You literally need a tablespoon and a teaspoon of white sugar, an egg, and peanut butter, or I only have almond butter, so that's what we're gonna use today.
We're gonna say bye-bye to our little friend and microwave this sucker for 60 seconds, aka a minute.
And it looks pretty promising. Inside it looks pretty good.
Not bad for 3 ingredients.
So these are all the ingredients we are going to need to make pizza in a cup.
Let's pop this bad boy into our microwave for, let's do 70 seconds to start.
Ooh. The dough looks like it is cooked. I should have put more marinara.
Freaking idiot.
Good consistency. So it is okay that I put it in for a little bit longer. You know, Jake, you're onto something here. Definitely should put more marinara than that. Be generous for sure. And cheese. Yo, that's pretty good. Way better than that mac and cheese. Pizza is life. So I did a couple quarantine mug TikTok food hacks, and I would say that they came out pretty good. Try them out. Those were just a couple of the ones that I found pretty interesting that I wanted to check out, and I will put the information in the description box below and the tags of the TikTokers that I took these recipes from. So if you guys want to see any more of these food hacks, just let me know, throw a thumbs up in there, subscribe to my channel. We're doing this quarantine thing together. Peace.